We'll be talking about mass and weight. What is mass? Mass is simply defined as the quantity or amount of matter that a body contains. On the other hand, weight is the measure of gravitational pull in that body. Let's quickly look at the distinctions or the differences between mass and weight. Already we see a clear-cut difference in their definition. Mass is simply the quantity or the amount of matter in the body. Weight is simply the measure of gravitational pull in the body. That just suggests to you that mass is a constant. But we can say that weight varies depending on the pull of gravity. Suffice me to say that in the moon, the pull of gravity is 1/6 of the pull of gravity on the earth. So that means that the weight of a stone, for instance, on earth will be different from the weight of a stone in the moon. That means if you are going to get the weight of a stone in the moon, we'll be multiplying the mass of that stone, which is constant anywhere, by the measure of gravity in the moon. And definitely it will give you a different numerical value to what you will get on Earth. Number 2 difference. Mass is a scalar quantity, while weight is a vector quantity. Of course, you know the difference. A scalar quantity has magnitude, while a vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. Number 3 difference is in their units. The SI unit of mass is a fundamental unit, which is kilogram. The SI unit of weight is a derived unit, which is Newton or kilogram meter. Of course, the Newton is used most of the time. Number 4 distinction or difference between mass and weight is in their measuring tool. Mass is measured with the chemical beam balance, while the weight is measured with the spring balance or weighing balance. In the next video, we'll be looking at questions from past questions of WASSCE and UTM.